Alanka.com.
Your Excellency, Mr. President.
Sheikh.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
Good.
Very good to see you.
And you as well.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Welcome to you as well.
And it's good for me to be here in the rule of law and security institutions area.
He's heading our
And
rule of law and security
an area
institutions.
very much needed.
Absolutely.
I'm Brendan's special assistant to Patrick.
My special assistant.
Dr. Abdullah, Zeta, Fiata, yeah, Alhamdulillah. Very good to see you. Long time.
Well, welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Has been raining.
Yeah.
Yeah, with anybody outside of the officials. Yeah. Right. And the future is promising. It is time that those who are leading in this country and those who are playing a leading role in Kismayo decide to choose peace, decide to discuss their differences and their legitimate differences at the table. They should exchange ideas and views and not exchange gunfire.
dhinacyada kale ee arrinta ay khusayso oo ka shaqeynaysaa oo ay la soconayso ilaa meesha u dambeeya
aniga ka madaxweynaha jamhuuriyadda Soomaaliya aan uga xumaa in maanta 22 sano kadib inaan arkayno Soomaali kala diigiisa daadinayo oo dagaal ku daadinayo waxa uu ku daadinayo ama waxa uu ku dilayna aan aad loo fahmi karin siyaasadda day tahay siyaasadda si inaan lees dilin si ah oo lagu keeni karo siyaasadda ayaan soo aragnay oo dawladda federaalka ku salaysan
A very positive meeting in terms of the UN presence and the UN relationship with the federal government of Somalia. Absolutely a positive, and we also recognize that this is a country that remains very fragile, where the gains of the last 18 months, 2 years could be reversed. We hope not. It's a time of great hope. The people here need peace. Everything is there, ready to build that peace and build a new Somalia. We're committed to it. I know the federal government and President is committed to it as well, but we can't be blind to the real risks and challenges as well.
Great.
Alanka.com.